Welcome to Samaram Drug Abuse Channel. Today in our program, I am going to inform you regarding National Action Plan on Drug Remand Reduction, that is NAP-DDR. This is a government program. National Action Plan for Drug Remand Reduction is a centrally sponsored scheme by the Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and provides financial assistance to state, UT governments and NGOs for drug demand reduction programs including IRCS, CPLIS, ODICS and DDACS. Its aim is to reduce the adverse consequences of drug and substance abuse through a comprehensive strategy involving prevention, awareness, treatment, rehabilitation and social reintegration of affected individuals. Its major objectives are preventive education and awareness generation on substance abuse, identification, counseling, treatment and rehabilitation of persons affected by substance dependence, reduction of stigma and discrimination against recovering addicts, capacity building and training of service providers, community-based interventions for whole person recovery, research, documentation, innovation and data collection, multi-agency coordination for drug demand reduction. These are the main objectives of National Action Plan on Drug Demand Reduction. And let us see now the projects admissible under this scheme. Number 1, District De-Addiction Centers, that is DDACS. District De-Addiction Centers function as district level one-stop facilities providing integrated services including prevention, counseling, treatment referral, rehabilitation support and community outreach by combining the core functions of IRCA, CPLI and ODIC. DDACs aim to reduce drug demand through awareness generation, screening, counseling, referral, follow-up care and social reintegration while acting as nodal centers for coordinating NAP-DDR activities with the local administration, NGOs and community stakeholders, ensuring continuum of care and promoting recovery of affected persons. Next, community-based peer-led intervention centers, that is CPLI centers. Community-based peer-led intervention centers focus on preventing substance abuse and promoting early intervention at the community level. These centers engage trained peer educators to create awareness among youth and vulnerable groups, conduct outreach and awareness programs, identify at-risk individuals, and facilitate referrals to ODIC, IRCA, or DDAC for counseling, treatment, and rehabilitation. Overall, CPLI centers support drug use prevention, stigma reduction, and community mobilization towards creating drug-free communities. And the third one, Integrated Rehabilitation Center for Addicts, that is IRCA. Integrated Rehabilitation Centers for Addicts provide structured inpatient de-addiction and rehabilitation services including detoxification, counseling, motivational therapy, psychosocial support, aftercare and relapse prevention. IRCS work in coordination with the DDAC, ODIC and CPLI to ensure continuity of care and support social integration of recovered persons, thereby contributing to the NAP-DDR objective of reducing drug demand and promoting long-term recovery. And the last one, fourth one is outreach and drop-in centers, that is ODICS. Outreach and drop-in centers function as daycare facilities providing screening, counseling, and motivational support to persons affected by substance use. ODICs act as the first point of contact, facilitate referrals to IRCA or DDAC for treatment and rehabilitation, and work in coordination with DDAC, IRCA, and CPLI to ensure continuity of care, thereby supporting early intervention and recovery. And today in our program, we have completely known about the National Action Plan on Drug Demand Reduction. And in our next episode, we shall know about Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you.